Báwo ni o, ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́? Ṣé ẹ wà dáadáa? I hope you're doing good today. Welcome to our Yoruba Language Learning class. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí yàrá ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́ èdè Yorùbá tiwa. Lónìí, a ó máa kọ́ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe. Today, we will be learning about action words. Yes, action words. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe. Àpẹẹrẹ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe òun ni jókòó, dìde, sáré, sùn, pàtẹ́wọ́, pariwo, àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Examples are sit, stand, sleep, run, sing, clap, shout, and many more. In today's lesson, we will focus on how to use these action words in simple sentences. Now, we can actually add a pronoun or a noun to an action word, and that way we will be making a simple sentence with action words. Àpẹẹrẹ, for example, mo sáré, I run. Mo jókòó, I sit. Mo pàtẹ́wọ́, I clap. Mo kọrin, I sing. Mo pariwo, I shout. Mo rẹ́rìn, I laugh. Mo lọ, I go. Mo wá, I come. Àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, and many others. Okay, guys, we also have another way of making sentences with action words. We can now add some other extra details to our sentence. Let us add today to the sentence now. Today in Yoruba, we will say lónìí. Lónìí, mo sáré. Today, I ran. Lónìí, mo jókòó. Today, I sat. Lónìí, mo pàtẹ́wọ́. Today, I clapped. Lónìí, mo kọrin. Today, I sing. Today, I sang. Lónìí, mo jẹ chicken. Today, I ate chicken. Lónìí, mo jẹ donuts. Today, I ate donuts. Lónìí, mo lọ sí ọjà. Today, I went to the market. Lónìí, mo lọ sí ilé ìwé. Today, I went to school. Lónìí, ọ̀rẹ́ mi wá sí ilé. Today, my friend came home. Àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. So, my point is, we can add more details to our sentences just by adding one word or another word to expand on the simple pronoun or noun plus action word. Mo sáré. Lónìí, mo sáré. Mo sùn. Lónìí, mo sùn. I ran. Today, I ran. I slept. Today, I slept. Mo pàtẹ́wọ́. Lónìí, mo pàtẹ́wọ́. I clapped. Today, I clapped. Mo rẹ́rìn. Lónìí, mo rẹ́rìn. I laughed. Today, I laughed. Alright. Èyí ni iṣẹ́ àmúrelé wa fún tọ̀sẹ̀ yìí. Here is our homework for this week. Practice 7 action words and use them in simple sentences using lónìí, today, and I and the action word. So you add today, I plus action word, and then you make a sentence like we have done earlier in the lesson today. Lónìí, mo pariwo. Lónìí, mo rẹ́rìn. Lónìí, mo ṣe eré. Okay, guys, I hope you have learned something today. We will continue on this lesson even in our next class. I look forward to having you in class. Until then, ó dàbọ̀.